Alright, what we got here today is the Klein's 15-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver. Now the packaging. Alright, it says on here, like it says, it's 15-in-1. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, it's got I think 14 bits, and then it's got a 1/4 inch for your bits to go in, so that makes the 15-in-1, and it's ratcheting with the bit storage on there. Okay, so it's got a rubber handle and a metal shaft on there, and this little where you select if it's ratcheting or if it's stationary. It's plastic, but it's got 3 spots. You know, you can ratchet to loosen it, ratchet it to tighten it, and you can go right in the middle where it's just stationary. So it feels pretty good. Pretty feels good build quality. So it got a little weight to it. But let's open right here. It's just got a little arrow down on it for you to pull open to see the bits or to get to the bits. And it popped open. It's like stuck, and then it kind of pops real fast. I don't know if I like that so much. But anyways, it's got these double headed bits in here. You can see that. Alright, so what it has is, and it also has the, man, I still don't know what this is called. This is like for electricians. Let's see if it says on here. Nope. It just says number 1 and number 2. But anyways, it's the one you use for like, here, I can show you. If I remember where I put those. Probably my junk drawer. I think it's in my junk drawer. Okay, well anyways, it's for like when you put in an electrical outlet or a light switch. It's the little screws in there. They have the little, that's what it's for. For electricians. There are people working on that. So it's got 2 of those, number 1 and number 2. And it's got, what else we got? We got a couple flatheads, a couple Phillips, some Torques, and some square Robertsons in there. Alright, so that's your storage there, and these are like, these little bits are like 2-inch bits. So the bits in there are 2-inch double-sided bits. So let's see how that comes out of there. They go in and out. They have a little, the little bits have a little ball on there, and that's what holds it in. There's probably an indent somewhere in there. Goes in there. Yeah. Let's try. I don't know if this will work, but let's try other bits. I got some 2-inch bits in here. See what happens. Yeah. Nope. Just regular ones won't. I mean, you could put it in there and do it, but there's no magnet. There's nothing to hold it in there. It'll just fall out. So I guess you can't use whatever bits you want. It's got to have that little ball on there. But anyways, let's put that back in there. Put the Phillips head in there. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's got 7 of the double-sided bits that go in there, and it feels nice. The only things, I don't like the plastic part here that changes it, which way you ratchet and stuff like that, and the way this opens up. It's like you pull on it, it just pops all the way out, and I'm scared I'm gonna pull on it too hard and it's gonna come all the way out of there. But there you have it. This is the Klein 15-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.